Hi tribe, it's me again, your girl Blaha, and welcome back to my channel. Going to make this macaroon blanket. So things that we need in order to make this beautiful macaroon blanket are the following. Of course, you will have this yarn, preferably Monaco acrylic yarn. The hook, I am using 5mm hook, scissors, marker, tapestry needle. So first things first, we will make a magic circle. I will like to leave a little end here. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And you're going to insert it in the first chain. Pull over. Have this magic circle over here. We are going to make 18 double crochet, chain another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then put your marker on the last chain, like so. So this is your first double crochet. You're going to make 17 more. And this is the step to make 17 more double crochet. You have to get 3 and you're going to go inside your circle like that. Okay, and then chain, get 2, chain, get 2, chain, 2, chain. So first and second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. So I will pause the video and I will see you later in the last. If you think that the hole is already too tight, you can go ahead and pull and so that you can proceed with the last double crochet. Okay, there you go. So this is round 2. For the last step of the round 2, you are going to connect this part here and this chain here. So that is the purpose of the markers. You won't be confused where to insert the hook. Go ahead and get this. Okay, and yarn over, pull it through. Okay, so there you go. This is the tricky part, but it's still very easy. So we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we will put the marker at the third chain. And then we are going to chain 1. Chain 1 and insert it here. Okay. Then the next chain that you can see. That this is the different step here, the first part. The rest you will do it like this. Chain 1. Okay, chain 1. Put it in the first chain that you can see. Pull, yarn over, pull through to, you will yarn over and insert it in the next chain, pull through. So now you will have 4 loops. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull everything. Okay, again, yarn over, insert it in the chain, pull through 1 2 3 here, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through. Okay, you now have 2 left, yarn over, insert, pull through 2, 1 2 3 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through everything. So you can see you have 2 4 6. Okay, 6 already, and you are going to do that one to the entire front of the macaroon. So we will be making the last pair. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over. Okay, 1 2 3 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through everything. Okay, so that's how it looks like in the front, and this is how it looks like in the back. So we are going to join these 2 together. So insert, get your marker, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 1 more stitch to lock everything off, and you're going to trim the excess. Okay, pull it tight to secure. There you go. This is your first macaroon. So the next step is to join these macaroons together. So plan where you will put the next color will be. Okay. Say for example, your positioning will be like this. Okay. So we will need to join these 2 together, and then these 2 together here. So are you excited? So take the 2. We will need our tapestry needle. Okay, and we will now go ahead and join the 2. What I usually do is first is to slide your needle and make sure you get 2 loops, 2 chains. Okay. Leave a little part of the yarn, and then go ahead and turn. Make sure that the front face macaroons are facing each other, and then you would also want to go ahead and get the 2 loops. Okay, and then you can go ahead and in the last part insert it to where this one ends. Insert it there, and get only 1 loop. Okay, pull it tightly. Okay, and then you can go ahead and join the 2 by tying a knot. Trim and hide the excess yarn. Nice little 4 pieces, nice and tight, very secure. Okay, and the last step is, if you are purchasing this 18 grams Monaco yarn, it will let you make 8 to 10 macaroons. This is 4 ply and this is 18 grams, depending on the size, how many yarns, 18 grams yarns you would need to have that exact same size of the macaroon blanket. Yeah. This is so comfy and this is so aesthetically pleasing, and yes, I really like it. I love it so much. So you can choose different colors that suits your vibe. I hope that you learned how to make this macaroon blanket, and definitely leave a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and go ahead and share this to your friends who you think you need this macaroon blanket. And that's about it. I see you guys in my next video. Bye, tribe!